Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal lotion easy guide. Measure 1 cup oats and grind to a fine powder, then steep in 1 cup boiling water for about 15 minutes. Strain the colloidal oat infusion, cool slightly, and combine with 2 tablespoons carrier oil. Whip gently to emulsify, then add a few drops of essential oil if desired. Store in a clean jar and label with the date. Bring a kettle and workspace together, and let's make this simple and cozy. After grinding oats and steeping, carefully strain the liquid to remove solids. Cool the infusion to warm temperature, then whisk in 2 tablespoons oil until smooth and slightly thickened. If you prefer a thicker lotion, slowly add 1/4 cup beeswax melted with the oil before emulsifying. Transfer to a sterilized jar and allow to set at room temperature. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while waiting for your lotion to set, and it pairs nicely with cozy self-care nights. Check the video description for the product link and other deals to explore. Thanks for watching and supporting. Now let's get back to the video. Be kind to your skin and take simple safety steps with homemade skincare. Always do a patch test on a small area to check for sensitivity, especially if using essential oils. Keep fresh lotion refrigerated when you skip preservatives and plan to use within 2 weeks. Use clean tools and sterilized jars to avoid contamination, and note the preparation date on the label so you can enjoy your soothing lotion safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.